What's up, guys? How you guys doing? I'm back and I got another review. At the same time, this is going to be a giveaway. I have a previous giveaway going on right now for an Apple Watch. You guys need to keep entering so somebody can win. I want to make the announcement soon, but I feel like I don't have enough entries. So if all of you who are watching can make sure you subscribe to me, go down in my link on my last video and subscribe to my fiance's channel. Go on her last video and comment a number from 0 to 23,000. 23,000 being just because I hit 23,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna randomly pick a number out of the comments, a person to win the Apple Watch. So the purpose of this video is I had a company reach out to me and ask me to review a product, and so they sent me two of these items I'm about to show you. They're really cool. I tested them out and everything, really nice. So they contacted me, asked me to do a review. They sent me two, one for me and one for me to give away. So this being my next giveaway. Pretty exciting to have things to review and I could share with you guys. Kind of gives me some content to go by. So anyway, here is the product. It's like a little space heater that plugs in your wall, and it has a remote and everything. It's adjustable. The thermostat's adjustable, has a timer, 2-speed fan in it. I'm gonna open it up and show you, but I have two of them. I'm gonna be giving one away. These things are like 40 bucks online. They gave me two of them. So let me open this up and show you what I got. Alright, so here's the unit itself. It's got like a heating element and then the fan behind it that plugs in the wall. Standard US plug. I think it comes with an adapter for Europe. Anyway, there's a button right here. You can press this and it rotates this to where you can put it in the wall different ways and it locks. Okay, and then if you're not using the remote, here's the buttons up here. Temperature, mode, they're high and low. And then there's a display right here that comes on. I'll show you in a second. I'll plug it in. Let's see what else. Here's the remote. Simple up and down, temperature, timer, and then fan speed. It also comes with, of course, an instruction manual. Wonder Heater, that is the name of it. If you guys are interested in this, I will drop a link in the description and you can get you one here if you don't win the one I'm giving away. So yeah, got some instructions in here just in case, because at first I wasn't sure. This was sent to me from China, so everything in here, like the temperature is Celsius, but you know, it gets pretty hot. And I think the highest it goes is like 82 degrees, 84 degrees. I looked up. It's like 32 Celsius. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I'm gonna check it out in a second. But yeah, let me get this plugged in and I'll show you guys how it works. So I have the heater here. I'm gonna plug it in my hallway. Have like a designated outlet for things like this in the hallway. So got it plugged in. Show you. It's a nice size little heater. I guarantee you it'll heat up a room. No problem. Let's see. The button right here, there's a button on the side. You have to press this on. Once you put that on, the unit turns on and everything. And it does have the control over knowing the temperature in the room. That way it has like auto shut off safety feature. That's pretty cool. So right now I have it on 15 I'm just gonna turn it up all the way and see how it performs. Oh, I heard it click. So 32 degrees Celsius is around 84 degrees Fahrenheit, give or take. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I'm sorry. I'm a Fahrenheit person. Yeah, this thing's getting really warm, and I can feel this thing a good 4 feet away, no problem. Put this down right here, and you can see, you know, I'm like way over here, and it's almost burning my hand. It feels really good though. Really nice to have winter coming up. I was very thankful that they sent this to me. Like I said, it gives me an opportunity to post some content and again to review a product to help them out. I would buy this. If they wouldn't have sent this to me, I would have definitely bought this because it's compact, plugs in the wall, no wires, you ain't gotta worry about it on the ground. It's really nice and it has a very good output. This would be very good for, let's see, if you work and you work at a desk, you can plug this underneath, keep you very warm. Bedroom, a small bedroom. My bedroom's not too big, so this thing's gonna be perfect for the winter. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Well, this is the modes. I guess I'll show you that. Low. I don't know if you can hear the difference. I'm gonna hit high. Yeah, you can hear a little difference. It definitely puts out more. I'm gonna turn the temperature down, all the way down. Listen for a click. I heard a click. Yeah, 20. So I got on 15. It's gonna run the fan and cool off the element. That way it's safer. And then once it's cooled off enough, it'll turn off. And if it gets below 15 degrees Celsius in the house, of course it'll kick back on. But yeah, the point of it, the fan staying on, is to cool off the element. That way it's safe to touch and it's not as big as of a hazard. But you have to have this button on to use the remote. If not, you just use manual. Which is still pretty cool, especially if you have kids that could be messing with the buttons. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it a second to kick off and show you. Now it's blowing cool air. Oh, okay, it shut off. And I can touch it. It's not hot, anything. I'm just gonna unplug it from the wall. And there's it. Alright guys, there's that. Like I said, you want to enter to win this, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, leave a like. Down in the description, I'll have the link to my fiance's channel. I need you to subscribe to her, show her some love and support. She's trying to make her a makeup channel. She's like a makeup fanatic. So if any of you deal with makeup, please subscribe to her channel and turn on her notifications because she will start posting a lot more. She got her a really good camera now. She's buying too much makeup, but whatever. That's her thing, you know. So, like I said, if you could please show that support, get entered in to win this. Go on her last video, same as the other giveaway for the Apple Watch. Instead of a number from 1 to 23,000, I want you to go on her last video and comment done and say something like, I want to win the heater, I need the heater, anything like that. I want to give this away to somebody. I have 2 of them. This is going to be really good for the winter, and it's free. So yeah, it's nice. Anyways, thank you guys so much for the love and support. I did not think I would ever get to 23,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please stay tuned. Like I said, enter to give this, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.